Hi witches, so I hope you really enjoyed that video about the broom closet and my experiences being in the broom closet and stuff, but I wanted just to hop back on here really quick and just let you know that I have started a Patreon. Like I really have enjoyed making these videos. Like I have had a blast and I really want to kind of like make this my full-time job. I know that sounds like really crazy, or like you're just some girl like with an iPhone making videos on the internet about witchcraft, but I want to go beyond that. I want to be more of an educator in my life. I've always been like, I've always felt called to do that. I've always been called on to do that, like to be a teacher. And I think that's just kind of like something that I want to move towards, and I want to share my knowledge a little bit more. So I have created a Patreon page. The link is down below. I have a full video going over like the tier benefits and everything there, as well as like just like an intro, a little bit more about me and my craft in case you aren't familiar. But I will be sharing that. There's going to be some patron only like giveaways and stuff that I want to run, are like physical, like, and it's almost like a subscription box type thing, the way I've designed it, depending on what tier you get. So you'll like, I'll make stuff for you, I'll do magic for you, I will help you with stuff. I'll be more accessible there, and you can actually like reach out and talk to me a little bit like one-on-one if that's what you want. So yeah, I just want to like give you guys a little, just make a little announcement, I guess, and say you by no means have to do that. You're not going to be missing out on anything. I'm still going to be posting videos every day. I still will have my like Instagram and stuff, but it's just like another step if you guys want to. I have different goals on there in terms of like what I would like to do, just like with my life and everything, but I really would love to like make witchcraft like my full-time job. Like that's like my dream, like is just my occupation, like occupation witch, like that's what I want. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. You don't have to. This is just me being, I don't know, just saying it. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your Thursday night, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.